Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission for many purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 77. If we start with this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got 3 and 4 here, so this is our 7. 4 here, so 3, 4. For this column now, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got an 8 covering these two boxes, so our 8 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 1, 2, 1, 2. For this box, we're missing 1 and 4, and I don't see any help. So 1, 4, 1, 4. If we look at this box, we're missing 1, 3, 5, and 7. We've got 3 and 5 here and a 1 here. So this is our 7. And that 3 and 5 means this is our 1. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this column, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. For this column now, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this row, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 1. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. For this top row, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 8. That 1 makes this our 4, 1. For this column now, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 9. 5 here, so 7, 9. 9 here, so 5, 7. If we look at this box, we're missing 1, 3, 8, and 9. We've got 1 and 3 here, so 8, 9. Oh, 1, 3, and 9 here means this is our 8, and that makes this our 9. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. For this column now, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 4. I don't see any help. So 2, 4, 2, 4. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 9, 9 here, so 2, 4. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got 1 and 2 here, so this is our 6. But I don't see any other help. So 1, 2. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 9. 9 here, so 1, 4. But if we look at that column now, the only place the 1 can be is here. That 1 makes this our 2, 1, 2, 4, 9, 4. And that 2 makes this our 4, 2. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here. So that's our 5, and that makes this our 7, 9, 5. And for this box now, we're only missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 6 and 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.